Soon after Bill Chayakin votes, Zion Roots. Don't know. Aye. Rasta man is higher, man. Through the valley, soft and clear, voice of wind we always hear. Every whisper, bold and true, voice of wisdom shining through. Babylon wall may block the ground, voice of wind still spread the sound. Every breeze a melody, voice of mercy set us free. Traveler stop and lift his head, voice of wind is what he said. Every current guide the way, voice of love begin to play. Storm may come and thunder roar, voice of peace remain in store. Every note a prophecy, voice of truth eternity. Elders sit upon this stone, voice of wind still make it known. Every story carried far, voice of mercy heal the scar. Children dance within the field, voice of hope the earth reveal. Every whisper bold and right, voice of Zion shine the light. Poet hear the sacred tone, voice of wind is not his own. Every line and every rhyme, voice of wisdom cross the time. Babylon fortress cannot stay, voice of truth will sweep away. Every echo strong and free, voice of mercy victory. Morning rise, the breeze so sweet, voice of wind at Zion feet. Every nation hear the call, voice of peace embrace us all. Even mountain bow to sound, voice of love shake the ground. Everlasting, pure and new, voice of justice shining through. Generation sing along, voice of wind compose the song. Every culture, every land, voice of mercy hand in hand. No corruption, twist the tone, voice of truth forever shown. Every whisper, bold and true, voice of Zion shine for you. Never ending, never small, voice of wind embrace us all. Sacred current, strong and free, voice of love eternity. Glorious anthem, pure and high, voice of mercy fill the sky. Everlasting, old and new, voice of Zion carry through. Blow, blow, strong and wide, voice of wind remove the pride. Sing, sing, melody, voice of love eternity. Voice of wind, bold and true, carry a message for me and you. Never fading, never fall, voice of mercy guide us all. Forever blowing, strong and free, voice of truth eternity. Sacred anthem, pure and new, voice of Zion shining through. Aye, Kaya Kush and Zion reggae, yeah, man. In the garden, strong and tall, tree of life embrace us all. Roots so deep in holy ground, tree of wisdom all around. Babylon axe may try to fall, tree of life still stand for all. Every leaf a sacred flame, tree exalt the holy name. Hey, elders sit beneath the shade. Tree of life where prayer is made. Every story, old and true. Tree of knowledge, shine anew. Child of morning, laugh and play. Tree of love, protect the day. Every branch a melody. Tree of mercy, set us free. Hey, fruit so sweet for every hand. Tree of life, bless all the land. No more hunger, no more pain. Tree of truth, forever reign. Burden bill and nest so high. Tree of peace, embrace the sky. Every blossom bold and bright. Tree of Zion, hold the light. Poet write beneath the bow. Tree of life, inspire now. Every line a sacred song. Tree of love, keep moving strong. No corruption, break the wood. Tree of mercy, always good. Everlasting, pure and free. Tree of justice, victory. Hey. Generation, sit and rest. Tree of life, provide the best. Every season, come and go. Tree of mercy still will grow. Storm may rage and winds may roar. Tree of truth forevermore. Sacred pillar, bold and strong. Tree of Zion, sing the song. Hey. Morning light upon the leaves. Tree of life, no man deceives. Every shade a holy sign. Tree of justice, still divine. Even stranger, weak and tired. Tree of love, make them inspired. Every root a prophecy. Tree of peace, eternity. Hey. Never fading, never small. Tree of life, embrace us all. Sacred tower, tall and free. Tree of mercy, victory. Glorious flame in every part. Tree of Zion, heal the heart. Everlasting, bold and true. Tree of life in me and you. Hey. Grow, grow, strong and high. Tree of mercy, touch the sky. Stand, stand, bold and free. Tree of love, eternity. Tree of life, sacred flame. Glorify the holy name. Never breaking, never fall. Tree of mercy, shade us all. Forever blooming, strong and pure. Tree of justice will endure. Roots eternal, bold and free. Tree of Zion, victory. Hey.
Rasta smoke the best ganja in the city, yeah, man. From the mountain peak me hear lion voice strong and clear. Righteous roar cut through night. Babylon tremble, lose them fight. Strength of spirit, fireball. Lion story, ancient told. No man break, no chain bind. Lion stand tall, Jah design. Children gather, chant along. Lion lead with mighty song. Every step a thunder sound. Lion God, the holy ground. Babylon throne can't last long. Lion stronger than them wrong. Justice rise, mercy call. Lion stand tall over all. Lion stand tall, mighty king. Power of Zion, Jah bring. Roar for freedom, roar for peace. Lion call, war must cease. Lion walk through fire and rain, still the strength remain. Not of violence, not of war, but of truth we fighting for. Heart so gentle, spirit kind, yet no fear for wicked mind. From Africa to every shore, lion roar forevermore. Generations hear the sound, lion echo still around. When the children cry at night, lion roar, restore them light. Elder bow and youth man rise, lion shine before them eyes. Ancient promise, holy call, lion stand for one and all. Roar, roar, thunder loud, lion voice unite the crowd. Strength of Zion never fall, lion stand tall overall. Lion stand tall, mighty king, power of Zion. Jah bring, roar for freedom, roar for peace. Lion call, war must cease. Forever strong, forever true. Lion stand for me and you.
Na na na, the master reggae of Zion. Heal the people, yeah man. Nightfall come, the fire blaze. Drum and chalice chant of praise. Circle wide, the people sing. Glory rise to Zion King. Smoke ascend, the spirit fly. Drum beat echo across the sky. Babylon system fade away. Drum and chalice rule today. Every hand upon the skin. Drum beat shake from deep within. Every draw a sacred flame. Chalice chant Jah holy name. Youth man dance and elder pray. One love spirit on display. No division, no more wall. Drum and chalice heal us all. Drum and chalice holy sound. Lift the people off the ground. Every heart beat pure and free. Drum and chalice unity. Through the night until the morn, drum and chalice keep us strong. Every rhythm, every tone, link the flesh unto the bone. Ancestor spirit gather near. Through the smoke, Jah voice we hear. No oppression, no deceit. Drum and chalice set complete. Babylon try fi silence we, but the drum still set we free. Every corner, every land, drum and chalice hand in hand. Generations pass it down. Chalice fire never drown. Living culture, roots so deep. Drum and chalice never sleep. Beat the drum, light the flame. Chalice chant Jah name. Sound and smoke rise so high. and chalice, two as one. Zion Reggae, man. Deep within the hills so green, Jah Garden bloom this sacred scene. Tree of life and river clear, voice of Zion always near. Every fruit a healing song, feed the children, make them strong. Babylon hunger can't survive, Jah Garden keep we all alive. Morning dew upon the ground, song of birds the holy sound. Elders sit and tell the tale, Jah Garden truth will never fail. Every seed a word of love, falling down from skies above. Hands of children dig this soil, heart of Zion bless the toil. Jah Garden ever living free, place of love and harmony. Come together all mankind, Jah Garden heal the heart and mind. No more sorrow, no more fight, garden shine with Jah light. Youth man plant and elder reap, promise Jah forever keep. No more hunger, no more war, Jah Garden open door. From creation till the end, Jah Garden bless again. River flow and tree them sway, children laugh and chant all day. Lion roam but harm no one, in Jah Garden under sun. Every nation, tongue and creed, find together what them need. No division, no more pain, Jah Garden rule again. Plant the seed, let it grow, Jah Garden love overflow. Roots so strong, leaves so tall, Jah Garden feed us all. Jah Garden ever living free, place of love and harmony. Come together all mankind, Jah Garden heal the heart and mind. Forever shining lush and true, Jah Garden open for me and you.
Zion Reggae.
Upon the throne of righteous King, Zion angels dance and sing. It blaze with fire, blaze with light. Throne of Jah forever bright. No crown of war, no chain of hate. Throne of Zion, open gate. Forever ruling strong and free. Throne of Jah eternity. Throne of Zion stands so tall. Jah forever rule we all. Justice flow like holy stream. Throne of Jah the righteous dream. No man can bribe, no man can sway. Throne of Zion here to stay. It lift the humble, lift the meek. Throne of truth all people seek. Forever holy, never wrong. Throne of Jah forever strong. From dawn no end. Forever shining, pure and true. Throne of Jah for me and you. It guide the nations, guide the land. Throne of Zion, firm hand. It stand above the fleeting power. Throne of Jah, eternal tower. Forever blazing, never dim. Throne of Zion, holy hymn. Everlasting, ever near. Throne of Jah, forever clear. When the trumpet sound again, throne of Zion still remain. It shine eternal, never fall. Throne of Jah, one and all. Forever strong, forever pure. Throne of Zion, always sure. Holy light and holy song. Throne of Jah, forever strong. Stand tall, bow down. Throne of Zion, wear the crown. No hate, no war can shake away. Throne of Jah, forever stay. Throne of Zion stand so tall. Jah forever rule we all. Justice flow like holy stream. Throne of Jah, the righteous dream. From age to age, from night to day. Throne of Zion never sway.
Jah bless the people, yeah man. High above the midnight sky, star of justice never die. Every glimmer, cold and true, star reveal what man must do. Babylon shadows try to hide, star of justice still will guide. Shining bright with holy flame, star exalt the righteous name. Dum dum da ba da ba da da ba da da dum 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 da ba da ba da. Dum dum da ba da ba da da ba da ba dum 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 da ba da ba da. Pilgrim look and find the way, star of justice light the day. Every road so dark before, star of mercy open door. No oppression cloud the view, star of truth forever new. Every gleam of prophecy, star of justice set we free. Dum dum ba ba da ba dum da ba da ba dum 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 ba ba da ba da. Dum dum ba ba da ba dum da ba da ba dum 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 ba ba da ba da. Held up point to heaven's high, star of justice fill the sky. Children learn from light above, star remind them Jah is love. Even stranger lost and blind, star of mercy help them find. Every sparkle pure and bright, star of peace guide through the night. Warrior lay the weapon down, star of justice take the crown. Every battle soon will cease, star of mercy shine in peace. Babylon fortress fade away, star of truth reveal the day. Every nation come to see, star of justice victory.
dum da ba da ba dum da ba da ba dum da ba da ba dum. Dum da ba da ba dum da ba da ba dum da ba da ba dum. Teach us, speak with wisdom clear. Star of justice, draw us near. Every lesson strong and right. Star of Zion, give the sight. No more hatred, no more pain. Star of peace, forever reign. Every glow a holy sign. Star of justice, still divine. Teach us, speak with wisdom clear. Star of justice, sing the song. Generations lift them on. Star of truth across the land. Everlasting, never fall. Star of mercy, guide us all. Sacred fire, bold and free. Star of justice, victory. Eternal beacon, shining bright. Star of justice, rule the night. Never fading, never gone. Star of Zion, still live on. Glorious flame, forever pure. Star of truth will still endure. Everlasting, bold and free. Star of justice, shine for me. Shine, shine, bright and clear. Star of justice, draw us near. Rise, rise, holy flame. Star of truth, exalt your name. Star of justice, bold and bright. Guide the people through the night. Never fading, never fall. Star of mercy, shine for all. Forever glowing, strong and free. Star of justice, victory. Sacred fire, pure and true. Star of Zion, light for you. Ba-ba-dum, ba-ba-da-ba-dum, da-ba-da-ba-dum, dum-dum, ba-ba-da-ba-dum. Dum-dum, ba-ba-da-ba-dum, da-ba-da-ba-dum, dum-dum, ba-ba-da-ba-dum.
Zion reggae, yeah, man. High up on the holy hill, Jah light a shine so pure and still. Break the darkness, clear the way. Turn the night into bright day. Every ray a promise keep. Wake the soul from Babylon sleep. Light of Zion never fade. Shine from now till earth remade. Light of Mount Zion, bright and clear. Guide the people far and near. Lead with Everywhere the people go, break chain, break night, fill the world with holy light. No storm, no wall can hide the beam. Light of Zion, reign supreme. Light of Mount Zion, bright and clear. Guide the people far and near. Lead we through this storm and fight. Keep we walking in Jah light. From mountain top to ocean floor, light of Zion forevermore.
Na 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 man. Na 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 na. Na 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 na. Na 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 na. Na 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 na.
River flow from holy ground, Zion water all around. It heal the thirsty, heal the weak. River truth all people seek. Forever flowing clear and wide. River of Jah by my side. Eternal current never dry. River Zion flowing high. River of Zion pure and deep. Bless the soul and bless the sheep. Living water, holy flame. River flow in Jah name. It cool the weary, wash the pain. River Zion bless again. No drought, no desert, no man control. River of Jah cleanse my soul. Forever streaming strong and free. River Zion carry me. From mountain top to ocean wide. River Jah forever guide. Me see the elder take a sip. River Zion heal the lip. It bless the children, bless the meek. River of truth all people see. Forever holy, never gone. River of Jah forever strong. Eternal flow from throne above. River Zion water love. No Babylon can dam the stream. River Zion holy dream. It cut the stone, it cleared the way. River of Jah every day. Forever pure, forever new. River Zion carry through. It wash away the guilt, the shame. River flow in Jah name. When the final trumpet play, River Zion flow same way. Forever streaming, never cease. River of Jah, eternal peace. It call the nations, call them home. River Zion never roam. Holy water, strong and free. River Jah for you and me. Flow long, flow high. River Zion never dry. No wall, no chain can block the way. River Jah forever stay. River of Zion, pure and deep. Bless the soul and bless the sheep. Living water, holy flame. River flow in Jah name. From dawn of time to final day. River Zion never stray.
Bada bim, bada boom, Rastafari, sip coconut and rum. One spliff light up, me mind take flight. Early in the morning before daylight. Me sip me tea, me feel so free. With nature around, that's liberty. Me not chase gold, me chase no fame. Me chase connection, me call Jah name. Me see the world through herb-filled eyes. Truth in a smoke, no disguise. One spliff, one love, one heartbeat. Roots run deep where desire meet. Meditation on the hilltop breeze. Rhythm of the earth bring I'm and peace. One spliff, one love, no fear. Jah voice echo when the pot unclear. We chant down stress, we chant down pain. With urban rhythm, we rise again. The city fast, but I'm on slow. Me spirit whisper, time fi grow. Me trod with drum, not digital noise. Me heart still beat with Rasta man voice. Ganja light, fi the wisdom flame. In a Babylon, them play mind games. But I and I now play that role. Me free from chain, me know me soul. Babylon can't cage a lion. Me roar loud like Mount Zion. Me burn down lies with herbal truth. Me roots firm, me plant from youth. Me vision clear like the sky above. Me walk with purpose, me walk with love. The herb connect, the stars and I. Me rise with sun, me fly so high. One spliff, one love, one direction. Me step in a light full of protection. Meditation on sacred sound. Rasta wisdom all around. One spliff, one breath, no rush. Nature teach me, life don't hush. So me burn the stress and hold the vibe. Reggae heal the world, worldwide. Me reason with the elders under mango tree. Them tell stories of Jah and unity. Me youth them gather round fi listen. Me words like fire, holy mission. Me not preach hate, me preach uplift. Me words a gift, Jah bless me lips. From roots to crown, me grounded strong. Me sing the truth, me chant it long. So when the world feel cold and rough, me light me spliff, and that's enough. One spliff, one love, me mantra stay. Me walk with Jah every day. Me carry the flame of ancient man. Me chant for peace, me overstand. From sunrise to the moon above, me hold it steady. One spliff, one love, right away.
No, no, no. Zion Ragaya man. Holy city, shining bright. City of Zion, full of light. Streets of peace and gates of gold. City story
Babylon Raga inna the house, yeah man. Deep in the night and the moonlight glow, Naya bingy drum beat steady and slow. Call the people from near and far, guide them home where the prophets are. Every rhythm tell Jah story true, ancient voice that carry through. Drum of Rasta never cease, beat the sound of love and peace. Drum of Naya bingy strong and pure, beat for the truth that will endure. Carry the chant to Zion gate, break the chain and crush the hate. From the hilltop down to shore, drum beat echo forevermore. It call the youth, it wake the old, tell them all what the prophets told. Each vibration heal the soul, make the wounded spirit whole. Babylon tremble when it hear, drum of Jah is drawing near. Under the stars and early sun, Naya bingy chant just begun. With every strike a prayer rise high, reach Jah throne up in the sky. It join the heart, it join the hand, it build the love across the land. From first beat till the last, drum of Zion, all we fast. Me see the elder close them eye, feel the spirit passing by. Me see the youth begin to sway, learn the ancient Rasta way. Drum teach patience, drum teach fight, drum teach wrong from what is right. Every beat a guiding light, keep the flame of Jah in sight. When the night winds start to cool, drum still teach Jah holy school. From dawn to dusk, from dusk to dawn, Naya bingy keep treading on. It tell the world we shall be free, when love and truth is all we see. Drum of Rasta loud and clear, beat till Babylon disappear. Beat slow, beat fast, carry the message that will last. From root to crown, from sea to sky, Naya bingy drum will never die. No chain, no fear can still the hand, drum of Jah will rule the land. Drum of Naya bingy strong and pure, beat for the truth that will endure. Carry the chant to Zion gate, break the chain and crush the hate. From mountain high to valley low, Naya bingy beat will always flow.
King, yeah, man. La 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 la. Na 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 Zion. Na 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 na. Na 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 na. Endless tide upon the shore, ocean whisper ancient lore. Every wave a sacred song, ocean chant the whole day long. Babylon ships may rise and fall, ocean still embrace them all. Deep and boundless, bold and free, ocean teach eternity. Fisherman cast nets so wide, ocean bless the daily tide. Every creature, great and small, ocean care for one and all. Stormy rage and thunder roar, ocean calm the soul once more. Every drop a holy sign, ocean carry love divine. La majesty. Ocean sing of prophecy. From creation, first of days. Ocean flow in righteous ways. Even stranger lost and weak. Ocean guide the truth them see. Every current strong and clear. Ocean wash away the fear. Child of Zion build a boat. Ocean help it stay afloat. Every journey, every mile. Ocean blessed with holy style. No corruption bend the tide. Ocean hold the truth inside. Every ripple pure and true. Ocean sing for me and you. Poet writing sandy line. Ocean make the words divine. Every verse a melody. Ocean of eternity. Morning light reflects so bright. Ocean blaze with Jah light. Everlasting, bold and free. Ocean hold the mystery. Babylon walls may try divide. Ocean still forever wide. Generation rise and pray. Ocean guide them every day. No more hunger, no more war. Ocean bless the world once more. Sacred water, strong and deep. Ocean never fall asleep. From the mountain to the coast. Ocean guard the Holy Ghost. Never ending, never small. Ocean rise above it all. Everlasting, pure and true. Ocean flow for me and you. Boundless mercy, shining bright. Ocean glowing Zion light. Flow, flow, deep and strong. Ocean sing the righteous song. Rise, rise, mighty flame. Ocean glorify your name. Ocean of wisdom, vast and free. Carry the people to destiny. Never ending, never fall. Ocean open for one and all. Forever shining, bold and pure. Ocean truth will still endure. Sacred water strong and wide. Ocean wash the foolish pride. La 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 la.
Zion smoke fire in the jungle. The system tremble when me step in. Me words sharp like lightning. Them say behave, me say never. Me fight for truth, me fight for ever. Them tell we vote, but all them lie. Me say look Babylon in eye. From ghetto corner to uptown high. The rebel wave rise like the tide. Me say the youth them wake now. Brainwash can't hold them down. Me say the elders chant still. Rebel fire can't kill. We not slave, we not fool. Me say Jah give we the real tool. Me say love, me say rage. Me say open your mind cage. Wave of rebels sweep the land. Me say strong heart, me say strong hand. The Babylon wall can't stand. We come together, Jah command. Wave of rebels from shore to shore. The youth cry out no more, no more. Me say rise up, me say stand tall. Me say chant down Babylon wall. The media blindfold the truth, but me lyrics reach the youth. Me say school not teach survival. Me say read, grow your vital. Them put camera up on every street, but me say soul them can defeat. Me walk with lion in a me chest. Me na bow, me give me best. Me say hustle for freedom, not gold. Me say carry the story untold. Me say dance under the moonlight. Celebrate love, celebrate right. Me say with the wave, with the storm. Rebel heart break every norm. From sound system to mountain top. Me say rebel music can't stop. Boom, me feel it rise. Rebel fire like the skies. Them can't block the movement, no. It come like river overflow. Me say the beat inside me bone. Every street me call it home. Me say all hands come near. The rebel wave can disappear. Sweep the land. Me say strong heart, me say strong hand. The Babylon wall can't stand. We come together, Jah command. Wave of rebels from shore to shore. The youth cry out no more, no more. Me say rise up, me say stand tall. Me say chant down Babylon wall. Me say from Africa to Caribbean. The rebel song reach every man. The youth rise up, the system shake. This wave of love not fake. Me say unity, me say voice. Me say freedom is a choice. Me say break chain, me say build. Me say teach love to the child. No more war, no more greed. Me say plant hope, grow seed. Me say rebel heart over fear. Me say truth echo everywhere. Wave of rebels we roll on. Me say till the break of dawn. Me say chant, me say fight. Me say rebel light shine bright.
Ay, 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 ay. Ganja and meditate, yeah, man.
Burning bright from ancient days. Firelight, Jah holy ways. Cleanse the heart, refine the soul. Make the broken spirit whole. Every spark, a truth revealed. Every flame, a wound that healed. Fire of Rasta never die. Lift the chant into the sky. Fire of Rastafari, blaze so strong. Burn away the hate and wrong. Like the path we to trod. Keep we walking close to God. From the hills to city street, fire warm the people's feet. It call the youth fi rise and stand. Hold the truth in every hand. It shine like gold, it burn like sun. Tell the people we are one. No frost, no cold can dim its glow. Fire of Jah forever show. Babylon tremble when it see fire blaze in unity. It melt the chain, it break the wall. It answer to the righteous call. No lies survive, no darkness stay. When fire of Jah light the way. It guard the weak, it guide the strong. Fire keep we moving on. Me see the elder by the flame, chanting praise to Jah's name. Me hear the drum, me hear the song. Me know the fire will last long. It teach the youth fi stand up tall. Never bow to Babylon call. Every ember, every glow is Jah love we come to know. Through the night and through the rain, fire burn and still remain. From first creation to the end, fire of Jah will never bend. It guide the way, it guard the gate. It keep the love and burn the hate.
in every heart, in every land. Fire blazed by Jah command. Blaze high, blaze wide, fire of Jah. We cannot hide from east to west, from shore to shore. Fire burn forevermore. No chain, no wall can stop the flame. Fire of Rasta, praise Jah name. Fire of Rastafari, blaze so strong. Burn away the hate and wrong. Light the path we to trod. Keep we walking close to God. From morning sun to evening star. Fire of Jah burn near and far.
Ay, 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 Zion Reggae. Upon the head of righteous one, crown of Zion like the sun. Not of silver, not of gold, crown of love forever bold. It shine with mercy, shine with peace. Crown of Jah brings sweet release. Forever pure, forever true. Crown of Zion for me and you. Crown of Zion, bright and strong. Blessed be righteous all along. Every trial, every test. Crown of Jah reward the blessed. No king of earth can wear the flame. Crown of Zion call Jah name. It guide the humble, guide the meek. Crown of truth all people seek. It break the chain, it lift the soul. Crown of Jah make we whole. Forever shining, never fade. Crown eternal Jah has made. We see the elder bowing prayer. Crown of Zion shining there. It blaze at night, it glow at noon. Crown of Jah no fading soon. Forever holy, never wrong. Crown of Zion ever strong. Upon the head of chosen true. Crown of Jah belong to you. No Babylon can take away. Crown of Zion here to stay. It shine eternal, shine divine. Crown of Jah forever mine. It bless the children, bless the meek. Crown of truth all people seek. Forever shining, bright and free. Crown of Jah for you and me. When the trumpet sound at last, crown of Zion ever fast. It blaze eternal, never gone. Crown of Jah forever strong. From dawn of time till endless day. Crown of Zion light the way. Holy glory, holy song. Crown of Jah forever strong. Shine bright, shine high. Crown of Zion fill the sky. No thief, no chain can steal away. Crown of Jah forever stay. Crown of Zion bright and strong. Bless the righteous all along. Every trial, every test. Crown of Jah reward the blessed. From earth to sky, from night to morn. Crown of Zion ever worn.
Meditate with Zion Reggae, yeah man. with love, the battle won. Babylon crumble, system fall. Jah People Army conquer all. Righteous banner, flag of peace. Army chant till war cease. Children march with holy song. Youth man chant, feel right not wrong. Elder walking, steady line. Army move with Jah sign. Every step a victory. Army chant of unity. No oppression can divide. Jah People Army worldwide. Jah People Army strong and free. March in love and harmony. No more war and no more pain. Jah People Army still remain. Not in anger, not in hate. Army walk through Zion gate. Every voice a sacred flame. Lift it high in Jah name. Babylon wall can't stand tall. Army of Jah break it all. Generation one accord. Army march with Jah word. From the city to the field. Army strength forever sealed. From the desert to the sea. Army chant for victory. One foundation, one true call. Army stand for great and small. Spirit strong, banner high. Army of Jah never die. Forward, forward, people rise. Army shine before the